Alright, we're gonna go from, of course, looking like this to this. We're gonna go from that y'all just seen to this. Okay, it's a good blank canvas to work with from my cosmetic line, which is Glam Zone, and on Instagram it's Glam Zone 1. And I'm gonna use the color Pink Mojito. Let me use that color, cause we about to get some stuff popping. Period. That pink is popping. When I tell you it's popping, it's popping. It's so pigmented. And if you guys wanna shop with Glam Zone, I'm gonna put the link in the description below for you guys, so y'all can get the happy hour palette. Also, we have another palette that's called Color Me Bad, and I'll show that to y'all when my Morph M507 blending brush, and I'm gonna just blend this out. I just blend this pink out some. You know in real time how long it takes. So let's speed it up. A halo. A halo, halo. Please don't come for me, Beyonce. I'm sorry. I know I can't sing. Just like, you know, like a little outline where I know I want my shimmer to go. I just shimmer that out. And then what I'm doing is I'm just dragging that concealer down, help fade that. And fade that area. Can't take my finger up that high. And it's going in my eye. That's okay, because it's eye safe. So we don't gotta worry about that. If it fall in our eye, we don't have to worry about our eye gonna break out or something. We're good. The thing that's good to use with pigments is that NYX glitter glue. It's bomb to use too, I think. So these are the 25 mm's, and these are the ones in Bossy. So we're gonna put those on today. Put this lash on in a snap. Got it on. All right. Now that we got our lashes from Glam Zone on Bossy, y'all gonna have to go check them out. I'm gonna do my foundation routine, and I'm gonna speed this up, okay, y'all? Now that we got our lashes from Glam Zone on Bossy, y'all gonna have to go check them out. I'm gonna do my foundation routine, and I'm gonna speed this up, okay, y'all? It's gonna be the Maybelline Super Stay. I don't even know what number this is. I know I need to go back to my winter shade now. So yeah, this is more like my summer shade. Don't judge me. I haven't went to go buy it anymore yet. So we're not gonna discuss that on here, okay? Alright. So let's get it started in here. Alright. Alright. Move the wig out the way. Alright. Okay. I went in my brows a little bit, but that's okay. I'm gonna fix that right on back up. Don't worry about nothing. Alright, so now we're gonna go over here. Take it, we're gonna go right here. We're gonna get in here. We're gonna fix it up the way it's supposed to be fixed up. Oh yeah. Now we got our sorry, I just want to darken that area right there. That's I don't know why. I just do. And I'm gonna clear it out. Have a comfortable one. Clean it up. Alright. Alright. Now we're going to do our concealer. True Beige Can't Stop, Won't Stop. Yeah. Now I'm looking all crazy. But whatever. Whatever. Alright. Alright. Let's run this out. Alright. Alright. Just go on my foundation with a nice meat sound. Then I will go ahead and set. I'm gonna set with my Makeup Revolution in the shade Lace when it comes to setting my under eye. I'm set right here, and I'm gonna set my upper lip, and right here. We're just gonna get all powdery, whatever. No, stop. Anyway, so now I'm gonna take it's my Soft Focus Black Radiance. I have one like this, but the one I'm gonna use is gonna be milk chocolate, but it's broke. So yeah, I didn't want to, like, you know, give it a shout out because it's all broken right now. I don't want to show it because it's looking a mess. So we're just gonna contour it out. I'm not gonna show y'all how broke my thing is. I need to buy another one. I really need to buy a new one. Yeah, I do. I need to buy a new one. I think that need to go on my list, Christmas list. Who wanna give me the Black Radiance Milk Chocolate? I'm putting it on my Christmas list. Shoot, somebody get it for me. It's been hard out here. I'm just playing. I'm gonna go get me some. I'm just taking my time. I feel like I should use everything in it. You know what I'm saying? I should use everything in it before I go buy a new one. I'm gonna do my nose. I'm gonna take a little bit of this, and I'm just gonna go around the bridge of my nose with it. And, you know, do my thing with my nose. Because I need a little contour going on right here. Plastic surgery without the surgery, okay? I'm gonna do a little button nose today. To blend it out. I'm gonna put my contour in my Cupid's bow to help give me a little dip. What are you doing, Stormy? Stormy be carrying on. Now I'm gonna take my soft focus in the color. What is this one? What is it? I think it's like sweet almond or almond sauce. Almond, I don't know. Yeah, I can't even see what it say. Okay, I'm tripping. I thought I heard something behind me. Thought I heard something behind me. Yeah, I'm tripping. I really did. Thought I heard something behind me. Ooh, I poked myself in my eye with my brush. Worst thing to do. Okay. All right. Got makeup on me. All right. Get my pencil, and I'm just gonna go right here, and we're gonna color that in. Whew. I always tend to tear up. I need to have some tissue right here by me, and I don't have any. Normally I do. Oh, there we go. All right. Let the tissue catch it. Woo. Alright. Alright. Now that I got that one, I'm gonna spray my face with this. Whew. And it's just water because I'm doing this late night. I'm not doing the setting powder. I'm not doing no setting spray and stuff because I know that I'm about to take this off when I get in. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna take my blush by Milani Coral Grove. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it on my cheeks, of course. Well, how pink can I make myself? Like, I'm already pink from all the makeup. Now I'm putting blush on. Alright. I'm gonna take my highlighter, and this is by Wet n Wild, and this is called yeah, I don't know what this one is called. Oh, something about stars, dreams of stars, something like that. I don't know. But I'm gonna put it on my nose, and I'm gonna put it right here, and I want to just, you know, help give myself a brighter look, bring this face back to life. Yeah. I'm gonna take my cubes, yeah. I should be using a brush now. I was playing around. I shouldn't have been. Put it on my chin. Sometimes I hate putting it on my forehead because it begins to be like too much. Too much. Alright, so now that I did all that extra good stuff, I think I wanna do like a inner corner color. I don't know what color yet, but I'm gonna do something. Give me 1 second because we gotta put some lips on. I'll be right back. Then I'm gonna put this lip gloss on top. I know it look crazy right now, but it's gonna be okay.